Packing it up.
Just fucking wedges in there. Are you sure? Huh? That's a little scary. Well, I got the fucking strap.
I'm leaving today.
I got a bunch of the front strap.
These guys are leaving today.
This is the part that's
They just lifted.
Get it up there.
They just lifted that up there.
On the other side of the truck and set it in, huh?
Now they're fitting that motorcycle in there, and then they're going to put that red generator in there. And that's a short bed. Pretty fucking amazing. Excuse my language.
And this is the fucking what I tie it in with. Okay, hang on. I gotta get it up. I gotta get the front end up. Hold on, let it sit right here. Hold on. You go, Mike. Wait, you guys are pushing it into me, and I can't. I'm pulling it back. That's the right bed rail. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, but I'm trying to fucking balance on it. Hop down. Okay, just roll. Yeah, just roll it in. Roll it in. Roll it in. All right, now let me get over. All right, now we gotta kind of lift it. That's it. There we go. Set the front tire down. Lift the ass end up. Now, look.
It's in there good.
Now generator there is down.
Just to be safe.
Tie down the handlebar. Handlebar tie down. I gotta swap my shorts before we leave.
Okay, just throw it back here underneath my feet. Okay. Those fucking things are expensive now.
What's that?
Those triangles.
Oh, fuck yeah, probably $50.
They are. They used to be fucking 15.
They went from 15 to 50? Wow.
Like everything else, inflation. You do a fucking dirt bike too.
Yep, packing it up. All of that's going in. Tables and everything. I'm almost done.
Put a fucking 6-inch lift on your track.
I didn't tell you to. You wanted to because I lifted mine.
I want to put 35s on it.
I know.
The fucking tires on it are still new.
Wear them out.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Remember we put it like this?
Yeah. And we just drove that fucker right like that. Right like that.
No more.
Huh?
I won't go no more.
Okay. Now,
And then we kind of wedge shit.
we got to go.
Fuck, we could put a water barrel here and there. If you wanted.
Oh. That's what we did last time. We got a bunch of shit underneath there. But we got carpet.
Well, here you go.
Oh yeah, spare tire.
Take that fucking cap off. Yeah. All right. Now, go ahead and feed the fucking strap around
Right
there.
through that tire, huh?
Falls out.
Huh?
He'll put it right through the tire, huh?
Is that just a caser?
Full spare, side spare, so I don't have to go get the fucking go to the tire store. Now, go from there. I guess I'll go around the axle. On the axle. Moving in.
Into what?
Bunch of hoarders.
Torch.
Hey you guys, that's how you pack up a truck, right there.
There. And then, hang on. You guys are yanking and don't need to be yanking.
Yanking ropes. Yanking wheel. Alright, I'm hooked.
Got hooked?
It's a big giant cooler in the very front that the quad wheels are on, and the quad, motorcycle, spare tire, generator, all in that short bed. Amazing.
Yeah, that'll work.
These boys know how to pack stuff up.